how to create a HubSpot landing page. So first, go to your HubSpot homepage here. Next is just click on the arrow here to expand the navigation. Next is just click on this content here. Now click on landing pages. After that, it'll take you here. Now just click on start from scratch and just put your page name here. So I'll just put my page as an example, and then just click on create page. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, now you'll get to choose a theme. You can also view themes in the marketplace. So for me, let's just use the theme here. So let's choose this one, set as active theme. Next is choose any of the templates here. So I'll just choose this one. Okay, close this one, and there you go. Now you just created your page. Now just click on save here, and you're done. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.